Hello, I'm so happy to be with you today. My name is Nathalie Lepelletier and I'm from France. And so as far as I remember, as a child, I was dreaming to explore the world and make a change. And today I'm feeling so blessed to be able to live my dream. So I was lucky to well, as many of us, to struggle for my years of childhood and teenagers, and to feel so away from my mission. And then at one point I had a very serious operation. I almost died, and it was like a wake-up call, and my life started to change. I moved abroad with my family, and we were lucky to be living in the States, in UK, in India, in Sri Lanka. And when I moved to India, first I didn't want to go there. And I know, now I can understand that for me it was like, I could sense that it will be a life changer forever. And over there, I understood who I truly am. So I was lucky enough to have the chance to meet people who helped me to really dig deep into myself and find who I am really, and find peace within me. And from now on, I know that the most important is to help others find peace within themselves, because my passion, what is making me waking up every day is to help make peace in this world. And I think peace is only going to happen if each and every of us is finding peace within himself. And so I moved back to France 5 years ago. And first it was very difficult because in India I was able to learn and share. So I became a yoga teacher, and I became a Reiki teacher, and I trained with hypnosis. But when I came back to France, first I was thinking, oh, this country is really not spiritual, people are very narrow thinking, and so it was a reaction. It took me a while, and then when I was open and when I was ready to go out again, so I did some cards, and the magic started to happen again, because I started to meet people who helped me do what I am meant to do. And so I started an association to talk to people and to organize events around self-development and well-being. And I was not using hypnosis at the time, but it came back to me again, and I became involved in a training center. I started to train people, and really my passion is the spirituality in it. So like helping people find their mission and be what they truly are. So first I started to teach past life regression and life between life, and I was saying, okay, I'm ready for whatever is coming. And then one day, Anger's name came to me, and I saw future, and then it was like, this is something that it was like a call. So I get in touch with Anne, and from that moment on, my life take another turn as well. I am feeling I am even closer to what I am meant to do here, and I think Future Life Progression is such a fantastic, easy tool, so powerful, because it's only working on the positive aspect, and it's like gaining insight from ourselves. I mean, it's not going to some, because what is very important is to be independent. To be we very often we are relying on others, and we are not taking responsibility. And I think Future Life Progression is a very strong tool to take responsibility of your life and enhance that creativity within you, because you can help others see the best possible options and clear what is on their way and make it possible. So I really love sharing Future Life Progression, and I'm really planning to make it to share it with as many people as possible, because I think today the world needs urgently people like us, helping others to get closer to the beautiful person they are. I feel so blessed to be able to help people that way, and I think together, because we are a fantastic group of people, we are helping each other so much. So the future can only be beautiful. Thank you.